Looking for the best Mantis tillers? In this video we look at some of the top 3 Mantis tillers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Mantis 7321. Power Tiller Aerator Dethatcher Combo Attachment for Gardening. Pros: has 4 sets of tempered steel blades. The aerator cuts into soil under the lawn and the Dethatcher quickly removes the thatch. 60 spring steel picks Dethatcher 15-inch swath with a single pass. Cons: some find it very difficult to assemble. Bottom line: this is a solid product as the aerator is perfect for use in compact, clay soil. At number 2. Mantis 7924. 2-cycle plus tiller cultivator with fast start technology. Pros: fast start technology offers 75% better starting experience. Commercial 21cc gas engine. Lightweight, 21-pound tiller folds down for easy storage and transport. 9-inch width gets into tight areas. Tine speed up to 240 revolutions per minute. Tine depth can dig between 2 and 10 inches, depending on settings. Cons: some users have difficulty starting, despite the fast start motor. Other users have difficulty breaking into denser soil beds. Bottom line: 2-stroke gas tiller has fast start motor, and can power through soil beds independent of a power source. At number 1. Mantis 7940. 4-cycle tiller cultivator. Pros: 240 revolutions per minute, tine speed twice as fast as competing tillers. Weighs 24 pounds. Finger-controlled throttle for easy handling. 9-inch width, which is wide enough for clearing beds, but agile enough for tight spaces. Tines cultivate soil in depths between 2 and 10 inches. Kickstand keeps tiller steady when not in use. Cons: instructions unclear or primarily in French. Works better on pre-tilled ground for some. Bottom line: a 4-cycle, 25cc Honda engine provides power, and the convenience of taking gas only, without having to mix with oil for the engine to run. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.